To play a G7, you're going to be using all 6 strings. 6th string is going to be with the 3rd finger, 3rd fret. 5th string is going to be with the 2nd finger, 2nd fret. Then the 4th string, 3rd string, and 2nd string are all open because they have zeros over here, so it's like this. Then that 1st string is going to have a 1st finger on it on the 1st fret, so it's going to be like this when you play it. Okay, now things you want to be careful about is making sure to get that curl, especially with that 3rd finger and 2nd finger, okay? Because if you don't get that curl with that 3rd finger, you're going to get a mute on that 5th string, and if you don't get that curl with this middle finger, notice how I'm curled. Now watch, if I drop it just a little, I'm going to get a mute on that 4th string. Okay, so you want to be careful with that. The other big thing you want to be careful for is thumb placement, because if you don't have the right thumb placement, you're not going to get the right pressure onto those notes to get the right notes out for the strings. So you're going to get mutes like this. So you need to put enough pressure. Now, how do you do that? Well, for sure on this chord, use the thumbprint and make sure to put it on the back of the neck. You don't want it too high because then it's going to make it hard to hit that 1st string. Notice, all right, I'm going to take my hand away, my guitar away, and notice how my fingers look. It looks really contorted, you know, really strained in the front and the thumb kind of strained in the back because it's up like this. So what you need to do is you want to put the thumb on the side, kind of like if you're cradling a ball. You want it to stay on the side right here, and you want it to just lay on the back of the guitar with the thumbprint area, not the whole thumb, just the thumbprint area. And then you want to make your shape like this after that, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to single pluck it, take your fingers away, make sure to, you might have to start one finger by one finger and then make that stretch. That is a bit of a stretch on that 1st finger. It's going to take some time to get used to. One thing you can do is don't put your elbow in too far into your rib cage, but you don't want to drop your wrist. I see a lot of people, especially with this chord, they try to drop their wrist because they're playing on that bottom end of the neck of the strings right here, okay? So what you need to do is keep your wrist pulled back, your elbow out a little bit, and make sure to grip with the front fingers and push towards the strings flat. Have those nails cut. Try to use the tips of the fingers as well. And make sure to put a little bit of pressure on the back with the thumb. And you can also pull a little bit on this with your elbow and shoulder when you're playing this chord, and that would help you grip for that chord.